Okay, also I will present you our new fuel bandsaw. Comes with a cutting depth of 125 millimeters, far enough for 100 millimeter iron cast, what is by far the biggest part of the iron cast market. Our bandsaw also uses the new fuel engine for the sufficient power we need to cut iron cast and also for an incredible runtime. The cut itself is very easy. Just start the tool, go on the pipe, and as you can see, I need nearly no power. The only thing I have to do with my right hand is to guide the tool through the material. So you can see a fast and efficient cut, also a cold cut and a clean cut, so I can go direct with the pipe to install it on the wall.